Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with a new thing in coding. It's chatbot. It's like a Siri. So first let me show you how a chatbot works. So I'll go to Dialogflow cloudgoogle.com. I will give you the link to open this in the description. Okay, it's loading. Yeah, I have created a Albert Einstein chatbot. Let me open it. In this I have chosen one topic, that where did Einstein took his education, and I have written that only in different ways. In training phases I have written questions, and in responses I have written the answers in the same way. So here I'll write that where did Einstein took his education from. And now see, it's saying that as far as I know, Einstein took his education from Munich. Like this the chatbot works. I will write once more that where did he took his education. See, now in the different way it will say, see, it's saying also that only. Like this a chatbot works. Now today we will create a greeting bot. Like in this we have the chatbot will say hi in the 5 different languages. First we will create an agent. We will give the agent name greeting bot. And now it's saved. Now we have to give a name to the intent also. We will give the name to the intent as greeting bot 5. And then we will save it. 5. And now we will add training phases. Let me show you first what training phases we will add to say hi in 5 different languages. See, here hola, bonjour, konnichiwa, namaste, hello, and the responses are hola, commentaries, konnichiwa, namaste and hello, and we will put the intent in the training phrases and response in response. These are the answers and the questions. So let me put them. First let's add the training phrases. Here I have written hello. Then we will put more training. We will put at least 5 training phrases. Namaste, bonjour, konnichiwa, hello, hola, like that. See, I have given the 5 responses. Now I have added 5 training phrases. Now we will add responses. Hola, comment, Telugu, konnichiwa, namaste and hello. These are the same, but except of bonjour I just put comment Telugu. Konnichiwa, namaste, etc. Namaste, hello, hola, all that. Then we will set this intent as end of the conversation, and then we will try it that it's working or not. Now where it's written try, now we will write Namaste, Konnichiwa, hello, etc. And let's see the chatbot. See, the chatbot is saying Namaste, hello when we wrote hola. Now we will write again. See, we wrote Konnichiwa now. Then it's saying Konnichiwa only. Like this, a chatbot works. See, I wrote bonjour and it's saying hello. I wrote hola, it's saying one more time because I wrote the spelling of the hello wrong here. See now, hello I wrote the spelling right. Now it's saying konnichiwa. See now it's saying comment. So now like this a chatbot works. If you guys like my video, then do subscribe, like, comment and share and hit the bell icon.